Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I want to explain how you can join the Multiversus Discord on your mobile phone. The process is very straightforward and simple. If you're having trouble trying to find the server or anything like that, all you need to do is open up your Google Chrome or any web browser on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your Discord account before you actually do this. And then, okay, so I'm on Google. So in Google, you just need to type Multiversus Discord. So if I just go and type Multiversus Discord real quick, let me spell it right first of all, just like that, and then you can go ahead and search. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to leave this linked up in the description down below to make your life much easier. So then just click here where it says Multiversus Discord. The option right at the top is the official Multiversus Discord channel. So if I go ahead and tap on that, that's going to go ahead and open up the Discord app. So you can see it has 22,000 members, or 22,000 online, 93,000 total members. So then just click on accept invite, and that's all you need to do. So you might need to accept a few things. So it says welcome, top things to do here. So I can just close out of that, and it says you must complete a few more steps before you can talk. So what you need to do is you need to just click on that, and then you need to verify your phone number. So I've already done that, and all you need to do is accept all the rules. So just scroll down, and there you can see the option there. It says I have read and agreed to the rules. So just click that checkbox on, then click on complete, and then you should have permission to join the server. So that's a channel I can't speak in. So if I go into the server and then I go to, here it is right here, then I can go to general, and it says I do not have permission just yet. So probably need to do one more thing. Okay, so I'm not sure if it's a time thing where you have to wait till like 15 minutes or up before you can actually talk into the server. You'll get more information on the actual desktop version of Discord, but this is the mobile. So I think you just need to wait a certain amount of time, then you'll be able to chat. But you can see I can read all the messages and everything like that. So I'm in the actual server. So that is the process on how you join the Multiversus Discord in case you are having any trouble. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.